أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قيل يا نوح اهبط بسلام منا وبركات عليك وعلى ممن معك وأمم سنمتعهم ثم يمسهم منا عذاب أليم.
It was said, O Noah, disembark with peace from us, and with blessings upon you, and upon communities from those with you. And other communities we will grant prosperity, and then a painful torment from us will befall them,